Welcome back to my channel. This is Mireju Gardens and this is Mary here. Today I want to show you how I converted a leftover 6 inches PVC pipe that was remaining after some plumbing work that were done in the house, and I converted it into a planter for my jute leaves, ewedu. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you've not yet done so. I would appreciate your support, and like the video, share with your friends, and leave a comment. All these activities on YouTube help to promote my channel, so I appreciate any of these activities that you could do on the channel. Thank you so much. And this is something you could do. Sometimes you have these pipes lying around and you could just convert it. It takes very little space and it's just a straight line. Some people kind of hang it, which was what I was hoping to do initially, but I realized that it was too heavy and I didn't have any structure to put it on, so I had to just let it stay on the floor, and it's been there. And I painted it colorful. We had this pink color paint in the house, and my children and I did that project, and it was such a beautiful collaborative work. We were able to create a planter out of something that we didn't think we would need any longer. And this is the beauty of gardening, the creativity that comes out of reusing things around the house. So watch and learn, and this could be an idea you want to try. If you like to learn about growing your own food and growing your own vegetables, whatever little space you may think you have, you can grow something. You want to stay subscribed to this channel because you'll be learning quite a lot of how to create that space within your compound, balcony, so that you can grow your own food, save some costs, and be sure of exactly what you're consuming. If you're interested, you should click the subscribe button right away so that you don't miss any new upload from me, and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be posted about new content from here. Also, like the video and share with friends. I appreciate your support in growing this channel. Thank you.